Anthropic, the company behind the popular large language model Claude, has just banned OpenClaw. So if you're using OpenClaw to automate your life right now, you need to check your settings immediately. Anthropic essentially just dropped a massive policy update today, and they're permanently banning users who don't comply. So today we're going to talk about the breaking OpenClaw saga and why developers are waking up to disabled Claude accounts and exactly what you need to do right now so you don't lose access. So let's get into it. So let's just start from the breaking news from today, which is essentially Anthropic. They've just updated their legal and compliance documentation for Claude Code. And now they're apparently drawing a hard line in the sand regarding authentication. So as the developer community quickly pointed out across social media today, especially on X, that the new policy is crystal clear. As you can see here, they specifically mention that using OAuth authentication is intended only for Claude Code and Claude AI, and that using these tokens obtained through Claude in any other product, tool or service, such as OpenClaw, is essentially not permitted and will constitute in a violation of their consumer TOS, terms of service. So as we all know, when you're setting up a OpenClaw bot, you will be asked to use either your API keys for Claude or OAuth, and essentially you can no longer use OAuth and you can only use your Claude API keys from now on. So for the last few weeks, thousands of users have been using this method with OpenClaw to essentially save on token usage. So as of today, if you are using this method with OpenClaw, you are officially violating their consumer terms of service. So essentially what that means is you can risk getting banned indefinitely if caught. So this has caused a massive panic online, especially on Twitter. Now, the biggest misconception right now is whether we can still use API keys. And yes, you can. Anthropic did not ban the use of API keys. They're just banning OAuth authentication when connecting with OpenClaw and setting up your bot. In fact, using the official API is probably exactly what Claude wants you to do right now. Now, obviously, you're going to use more usage and tokens. However, keep in mind that OpenAI, they still have OAuth authentication. So I think what we'll see is a lot of people migrate over from Claude to OpenAI when using OpenClaw. So again, that's one solution. Another solution will be maybe moving to a model that is slightly cheaper. If you're using Opus 4.6, you might want to downgrade to, let's say, Claude Sonnet 4.5. Of course, you can also use the Kimi models, which are very popular due to them using not many tokens and also being slightly cheaper than the other models. And again, the other solution is that you just run a local model such as Llama 3.3 through Ollama. And this requires a bit more technical setup and hardware, but you will never pay an API fee or have to worry about being banned. So the era of piggybacking consumer AI subscriptions to run relentless autonomous agents is over with Claude. Now you either pay for the API tokens or you risk getting banned. So just make sure you go into your OpenClaw settings right now and you remove the Claude OAuth token and you set up a proper API key, or you move to a different model before your account gets banned. So let me know in the comments if you agree with this decision, and feel free to drop a like if this saved your account. I'll see you in the next video.